Every idea when you conceive, it gets matured first in your own mind. Slowly, it takes some form, and it happens in just few seconds. And after that, it's very important for you to deliver that idea. It's just like when mother conceives, it's very important for mother to deliver that baby. You conceiving idea, letting that idea getting matured inside you and not delivering it is as good as a mother conceiving it and not delivering a baby, which is not fair. What will happen? It is fatal. Why it is fatal? Because every time when you will do that, and every time when you see that maybe after a few days or maybe in the same meeting someone else expressing the same idea or similar kind of idea or worse than your idea, comparatively your idea is better than that idea, every time when this is happening, and if it happens for a significant period of time, I must tell you it is not good for your confidence. Stop this vicious cycle here. It's just like a mother conceiving and not delivering it, it's fatal for that mother. Similarly, if you are among those people who have good ideas, good thoughts, suggestions, but if you have developed that habit of not sharing that in the meeting and sharing that only outside the meeting one-to-one at tea stall, it's not going to help you to grow in your life. It's very important. The conference room is the operation theater. The conference room, the meeting room is the operation theater. You have to deliver no matter how bad, how dirty, how bloody your idea is, but you have to deliver that idea in that operation room only. If you're not doing that, you're insulting yourself. It's fatal. It's life-threatening. It's not good for your career. So point number 2, if you're among those people who have a habit of not sharing idea in the conference room, it's going to affect your career. And this I'm saying on the basis of my last 18 years of professional experience. Initial 10 years, I have seen so many people, and now also in last 8 years of my entrepreneurship journey, not only in my team, even when I meet clients, and especially in those kind of meetings where I know that the seniors and juniors and middle management are sitting, but sometimes the senior or the key person dominates the meeting such a way that middle management, I could see from their body language, I could see from their faces that they are not agreeing, that they want to say something, but just they don't learn how to say, or they have an issue of confidence, they don't interfere. And then after the meeting, when the seniors, when they are not there in the conference room, they express. What is the logic of doing that? You have to learn as a leader to interfere, to interrupt, to express. If you're not doing that, it's not good for your career.